Why do professional race car drivers accelerate through turns? At first, it seems counterintuitive. Shouldn't drivers slow down while turning? Actually, professional racers strategically increase speed as they navigate a curve. Here's why. The racing technique. Slow in, fast out. Slow down before the turn. Drivers reduce speed before entering a corner to maintain control. Controlled acceleration mid-turn. As they progress through the curve, they begin gently accelerating. Faster exit on the straightaway. This technique ensures a higher speed when entering the next straight section of the track, maximizing overall lap time. The physics behind it. Front-wheel drive advantage. In front-wheel drive cars, accelerating through a turn provides extra grip to the front tires, improving handling. Force distribution. The added forward force, F, from acceleration helps balance the lateral forces acting on the car. Traction control. By managing speed gradually, drivers prevent excessive tire slippage and maintain a better racing line. Mastering the art of racing. This technique separates professional racers from amateurs. It's all about precision, balance, and knowing when to push the limits.